In a beautiful hadith, the Prophet Muhammad said, which is mentioned in Sahih Muslim, "Man salaka tariqan yaltamisu fihi ilman, sahhalallahu lahu tariqan ilal jannah." Whoever takes a path in pursuit of knowledge, Allah will make easy for him the path of paradise. This hadith encouraged and inspired the Ummah to develop their skills, to acquire knowledge, to grow more in knowledge. So whoever does it, Allah will make easier for him to enter paradise. So we try our best to acquire knowledge, to learn something better for ourselves. And following this way, inshallah, we will be able to develop our skills and we will be able to learn something that will be beneficial